In this video, we're going to talk about AMD and how Cathie Wood just added to her bag once again. Despite price being down almost 50% since the highs that it was established back in March, when price hit $228. Now, she either sees this as a buying opportunity or she has a long-term horizon, which is typically how she invests. She also believes that AMD is an AI story, and she wants to play AI in other ways. Now, before we look at this weekly buy zone, in which you can see December's close was in the middle of the zone, and now you can see for January, price is leaving the zone. Let's quickly look at this article, but I do want to prove to you that, again, Cathie Wood has just been adding to her bags of AMD, and you got to go back to the beginnings of 2023. The only time she sold was in February of 2024. Outside of that, she owns roughly 800,000 shares. It's a measly 1% of her portfolio, but nevertheless, it is worth almost $100 million. And her average price is $132. All right, so again, on Cathie Wood purchased roughly 82,000 shares of AMD on December 31st to end the year. Now, in October 2024, AMD posted third quarter earnings that match analyst estimates, with revenue coming in slightly ahead of expectations. Good. Its fourth quarter revenue outlook fell short, however, of Wall Street forecasts. Company projected sales of $7.5 billion compared to this anticipated $7.55 billion. Now, AI still dominates the AMD story, but the company's AI market share remains significantly lower than that of its competitor, Nvidia, which dominates the AI GPU market. Now, AMD also faces challenges in meeting the growing demand for its AI processors. This is a good problem to have. The CEO, Lisa Su, indicating that chip supplies would be tight going into this year. And that concerns Wall Street, right? If you have a tight supply, you can't fulfill those orders, your revenue and earnings has a ceiling. The concern from here is that AMD won't be able to provide upside to estimates that are already $8 to $9 billion for calendar 2025. And so how do you put a premium, how do you put a target on AMD? Well, you just kind of go to the technicals. And so, again, all-time highs, 228. Price has collapsed 48%. Price came back. Not once, but twice now. Once was back in July. And the second time now, it's occurring right now. Now, if you look at these sell wicks, 128, you got to get above 128 if prices are going to go higher, because you do have a gap to fill at roughly 138. Let's go down to the daily chart, and this is what I like to see. So you have a W pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Some people will call that a double bottom, although it's not a pretty double bottom. It is a double bottom nevertheless. Now, what I projected is that price is going to breach the apex of this W pattern, pull back, which should serve as support before moving to the next level. That gap close at 138-ish. One thing you have a going against price action, all the moving averages are pointing down. Rightfully so. Price has been in a downtrend. Price or moving averages are lagging indicators. But you can use this down channel as another confluence point, get a breakout above 128. Also, the apex is at 128. And on this pullback, you should see then the momentum moving averages start to converge and cross over, targeting this red 50-day moving average. So let me know what you think. Are you buying in with Cathie Wood? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.